side, huh?
All right, go ahead. Give it a go.
Just say, don't laugh at me. Hold on, wait.
Yeah.
Sorry!
Okay, do it again.
Okay, maybe I'll try the other side.
Okay, give it a go.
I'm gonna hold her hair.
Look at her. Okay, get a good swing. She said, I'm out of here.
By the base of the hair.
Huh?
Grab it low. Don't grab it where it's got a lot of room. You want it close to the base.
Come on, give it a go. Get up. Come on. Hey, watch out now.
You want to grab it close. Down here by close to the root. Right here, my hand at. Where my hand at.
Watch out.
Tight.
Get it.
Okay, tight.
You putting that pressure on you now. You don't have to grab with the second hand yet until you get almost.
Okay, it's just the one hand?
Yeah. Ready?
Okay.
1, go.
Ah.
Great attempt.
Come on, commit.
Ready?
Commit.
This is a great attempt.
Commit to it.
Up? Okay.
Come on, commit.
Put some run in it.